Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app. And in today's video, I will show you how to send mail to multiple people or multiple addresses at once in Gmail app and hiding all the recipient's email addresses for each contact. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Having opened up your Gmail app, click on Compose. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you switch to BCC. Then go ahead and enter the first email address. Then click on next. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here again to add another email address. Just like so. So you can add as many as possible email address in this section. So go ahead and add another email address. Just like so. So 3 email address has been successfully added right here. And the next thing we want to do here is to come to subject of the mail. Then go ahead and enter the compose. Just like so. Now the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on send right here. Do you want to sending this message? Click on OK. And the message will be sent to all the contacts. And when each of the contacts are opening the content of the mail, they will not see other people's email addresses. No matter how the number of the email you attach is that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Gmail app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.